Hey everyone, it's Mizglamgirl. Welcome to my first YouTube tutorial. Yes, I know, it's finally here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this golden goddess look. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Leave a comment down below and let me know what looks you guys would like to see in the future. So first I'm going to start off by applying this e.l.f. eyeshadow tape. And now I'm going to prime my lids with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm going to blend that in and then lightly set it with some translucent powder. I'm going to be using the Morphe R37 brush. Now I'm going to go into the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm going to be using the shade Pukey. Using this shade as my transition color, I'm going to be just blending it in circular motions to make sure it's nicely blended. I'm going to go in with more of that eyeshadow and pack it on and keep on blending. Now I'm going to be using the Morphe M513 and I'm going into the shade Hunts. And I'm going to keep on blending that into my upper crease. And again, I'm going to start packing on that shade and just keep blending. Now I'm going to be going into the shade Chip and I'm going to start blending that into my crease. You're going to keep packing that on and blend, blend, blend. Using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, we're going to start cutting our crease. I like to cut my crease by slowly tapping the brush against my crease line. Yes, look at that sharp crease. Now I'm going to use my Juvias Place Warriors palette and dip into the shade Baka, which is a stunning gold. And I'm going to start applying that onto my lid. I'm going to pack this on nicely to get that shiny, dramatic gold. Now we're going to go back into the Jaclyn Hill palette and we're going to use the shade Pukey. And we're going to start blending that into the outer V of our eye and bring it lightly towards the lid. Blending is definitely the key to every perfect look. Now we're going to dip into Hunts and do the same step again, but this time we're going to keep it more on the outer lid. Now dipping into Chip, we're going to nicely blend that into our outer crease. It's liner time. First, we're going to smoke out the liner by smudging some black eyeshadow on. Now going into the NYX matte liquid liner, you're just going to go over what we already did, but a little bit more defined. Ooh, that wing though. Now, using the stunning Urban Decay glitter liner in Midnight Cowboy, you're going to slowly start lining your crease. Glitter liner just makes any look pop. My favorite part, removing the eyeshadow tape. Let's get into lashes. I'm going to curl my lashes and apply some mascara. I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. And the lashes I'm going to be using today are Lust from Prettifylashes. You can use my code Mizglamgirl10 to save. The easiest way to apply lashes is to place the lash on the center of your lid and then stick the outer corners down. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Give this video a thumbs up if you did, and if you didn't, then go ahead and press the thumbs down button. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.